In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off age restriction on Steam. We'll walk through disabling Family View, which is Steam's built-in parental control system. When Family View is enabled, it limits what you can see and do in the client, restricting game access and certain features. Turning it off restores full, unrestricted access to your library and account features. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the desktop app rather than the web browser for the smoothest experience. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile name. From that menu, choose Account Details. This takes you to the central hub for your account settings. On the Account Details page, find the section for Family Management. Depending on your version of Steam, this may be labeled slightly differently, but you're looking for the Family Controls. If you don't see Family Management here, you can also reach it from the top menu by going to Steam, then Settings, and selecting Family in the sidebar. Either path brings you to the same place. Within Family Settings, click Manage Family View. This is where you control what's restricted on the account. To turn off age restrictions entirely, select Disable Family View. Steam will prompt you to confirm the change in a pop-up window. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. If you've previously set a family PIN, you may be asked to enter it as part of the confirmation. This is normal and helps ensure only authorized users can make changes. After you confirm, you'll want to verify that the change took effect. Look at the top of the Steam client. The Family View button or banner should no longer be visible. You should now have unrestricted access to your library, including any games or features that were previously hidden or locked. If you still see filters in your library view, switch to the full library view and make sure no category filters are applied. A quick note for clarity, turning off Family View removes restrictions within the Steam client and your game library. You may still encounter age prompts or content warnings on store pages, which is separate from Family View and is part of Steam's general content system. That's normal and doesn't indicate Family View is still on. If you ever want to re-enable restrictions, you can return to the same Family Settings area and set Family View back up with your preferred limits. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.